There's Miracle. And there are tons of birds in this hedgerow. I don't know if the phone's picking them up. All different kinds of birds flying around. Lots of bird sounds. There's Miracle. We're going into the woods. Let's enjoy the sounds of nature. Come on, Mamies. Yes, there's lots of bird activity, everyone. If you like birds and those sounds, just listen to it. Miracle, do you hear the birds? And frogs. I don't know if anyone can hear the sound of the frogs. Oh! Look, Miracle! That was not there before! Miracles! Check that out! I'm going to have to move that. Not today, but I will later. We have to go around that, Miracle. It's a big one. Goodness. It's going to be a chore to move that big thing. It's like a... Oh, it came from there. Come on, Mimi. Here we go. There's baby. Oh my God. He's just the sweetest thing in the whole world. He really is. Yeah, that's new, Miracle. That's new and different. You gotta check it out. Yeah. Oh, I nearly tripped. Come on. He's still investigating. Here it comes. Here comes Miracle, everyone. He's meowing at us.